Welcome to the future of medicine. Welcome back to Zero Fat TV Think Different, where we challenge the status quo and explore the breakthroughs that are actively rewriting our reality. Today, we are diving into a monumental shift in the medical world. Artificial intelligence has officially surpassed top human specialists in the early detection of cancer. This isn't just a minor upgrade to our current healthcare system. It is a complete paradigm shift that will change how we view human longevity forever. The flaws of the human eye. For decades, the medical establishment has relied on the trained human eye to spot anomalies in blood work and imaging, but humans get tired, biased, and simply cannot process millions of data points at once. Because of these biological limitations, devastating diseases are often missed in their crucial stage 0 or stage 1 phases, costing patients precious time they cannot afford to lose. Even the most experienced oncologists are bound by the limits of human perception, making errors an unfortunate but inevitable part of traditional diagnostics. The 98% AI miracle. Enter the latest generation of autonomous AI diagnostic models, which a massive new global study confirms can detect microscopic signs of cancer with an unprecedented 98% accuracy. By analyzing subtle patterns in standard blood tests and routine scans that are completely invisible to human oncologists, this technology is catching diseases years before any physical symptoms ever appear. This means that a simple routine checkup could now provide an absolute mathematical certainty about your health status, eliminating the terrifying anxiety of the unknown. Shaking up the medical establishment. Here at Zero Fat TV, Think Different, we always ask who benefits from the old way of doing things. And it is clear that this AI-first approach is going to heavily disrupt the traditional healthcare hierarchy. Instead of waiting months for a specialist's subjective opinion, patients will soon have access to instant, hyper-accurate, and objective diagnostic data directly from these AI systems. Big medicine will have to adapt quickly as the power of medical knowledge is finally being decentralized and handed right back to the patient. A new era of preventative health. Ultimately, this technological breakthrough transitions our medical system from a reactive sick care model into a truly proactive healthcare system. When we can trust machines to find the smallest threats before they grow, we empower ourselves to take control of our healing journey without relying solely on traditional medical gatekeepers. We are stepping into an age where treating cancer might become as routine as fixing a common cold, all thanks to the cold, calculating precision of artificial intelligence. The verdict on AI doctors. To summarize, AI diagnostics are revolutionizing early cancer detection by outperforming human specialists with 98% accuracy, offering a future where late-stage diagnoses could become a thing of the past. Your voice matters in this debate, because as technology rapidly evolves, it is up to us to decide how we integrate these powerful tools into our daily lives. We want to know if you would trust an AI with your life over a human doctor, so drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and as always, keep thinking different.
Thanks for watching. Zero Fat TV Think Different. Impossible is just an opinion. R.J. Hamilton.